Christmas may be over, but the gifts are still coming. And this is a gift from Google. We have the new January 2024 security patch and update that's available for your Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, all the way back to the Pixel 5a. And you should be able to check your phone to see if it's coming out now. Now, just hold your horses real quick. If it's not there immediately, it should be roll out over the next week. So you should start to receive it over your phone. So I was actually lucky and I checked mine. Mine is already here. For me, it's 24.25 megabytes. Now, just if you're new to the program, because we have a lot of new people in the Pixel family. A lot of people bought Pixel 8s, Pixel 8 Pros over the holiday season because of the deals. Here's how you check for your updates. And I'm going to run you through this real quick. So you just swipe down from the top and you go to the little settings icon down on the bottom. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to System. And then there's an option here for System Update. So you'll tap on that and then it will tell you whether it's up to date or not. Now there's also a little green button in the bottom right corner that says check for update. Sometimes when you tap on that System Update, it might not appear. So tap the little green button down at the bottom right that says check for System Update. You should be good to go. Now, if it's not there, like I said, sometimes it might roll out later today, it might roll out tomorrow, might roll out beginning of next week. Just give it a couple of days before you get worked up and concerned about it. So this is for the Pixel 5a all the way up to the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, also the Pixel tablet, Pixel Fold. There are only a few fixes. So what I was looking at, it looks like there's about 4, and this is according to the 95 Google website. Actually, no. Yeah, 95 Google. So there's a camera fix for all of the Pixel phones, it seems. Fix for users facing camera crashes under certain conditions. That is one fix. Another fix, this one I believe is particularly for Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. It's a fix for users facing flashing black screen when playing video in certain conditions. That's Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. There's a fix for users unable to exit Setup Wizard under certain conditions, and that's for the Pixel tablet. So if you've been experiencing that with the Pixel tablet, that is now fixed. And then there's one last one, fix for wallpaper on home screen showing black in certain conditions, and that's the Pixel 8, 8 Pro, and the Pixel Fold. So very small update, not a whole lot of stuff here. It's not like last month. We got the quarterly feature drop. There were tons and tons of bug fixes and all that stuff. This is more like just some routine housework, all those things. And for the Pixel 5a all the way up to, well, now the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, Pixel Fold, all those great things. And it's a very, very small update. Of course, it does take forever to download. So this is just the way that Google does business with their phones. You can continue to use your phone while you're waiting for the update to download and install and all that stuff. And then it just requires a simple reset. But it does take forever. So if this is your first time with an update for the Pixel phone and it takes like 30, 40 minutes, an hour, that is normal. And it's something you'll probably complain about for a long time. But anyway, so I just want to let y'all know that's out. That's available, the new patch. I'm really excited about this. I'm glad they got it out very, very quick. I mean, we're just now into the first business days of 2024. Google already has this rolled out. And, well, if you have a Pixel 8 or 8 Pro, you're going to get security set updates for 7 years. Software updates, security patches, both for 7 years. And this is just kind of, we're still in the early stages of this stuff. They've been pretty reliable about getting it out. And of course, this covers several generations of phones as well. So you got your phone, got your cake, get to eat it too with your software update, all that stuff. Hopefully you're enjoying the new Pixel experience. If you've had one for a while, hopefully you're appreciating the reliability. I will say like the last 6 months, mostly have been better than the beginning of last year and the previous year before that. So they've been a little bit more reliable when it comes to getting these out in a timely fashion. They ditched the old first Monday of the month thing. That was something that they did once we got to Android 14. They said, look, well, they didn't say it. It was just hidden in the update saying we're not adhering to a set schedule anymore. We're not putting them out necessarily on the first Monday of every month, which was Pixel Update Day notoriously for years and years and years. So they've been doing pretty good here recently with getting them out in a timely fashion, quick, fast, in a hurry. So I appreciate this. And I'm glad that we went ahead and we got the update here. So again, this is Pixel 5a, Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. I guess they want to put on a good face because the S24 is right around the corner. Samsung can't be the only one with good news to start off 2024. We've got the Unpacked event coming up on January the 17th, just 2 days before my birthday. So I get to go buy an expensive phone for my birthday present for myself, but I'll be providing coverage for those. So Hey, if you're a Pixel fan, but you're thinking about jumping to Samsung, you're also in the right place because I'll be covering the Pixel. Besides the Pixel, I'll be covering the S24 Ultra for sure extensively for the next year. Trying to decide if I'm going to pick up the regular or the Plus. Might get the Plus this year. There's a lot of exciting things going on right now. OnePlus 12 right around the corner. So Google needs to stay on their toes and to continue to be putting things out in a timely manner, keeping things updated, rolling out the updates, new AI features, all that stuff. So exciting times in the smartphone world right now. And I'm going to sign off. So that's all I got. So if you have any questions or comments, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. Remember, it will roll out soon. If you don't have it today, check tomorrow. If you don't have it tomorrow, check the next day. This stuff starts to roll out over about a week, so not everybody's going to get theirs today. It took me 4 days to get mine last month, so I'm happy to be here at the ground floor this month. So that's all I got. If you enjoyed the video, if you like the Pixel content, you're in the right place. Hit the like and the subscribe button. Little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.